Today I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on your HMD Fusion smartphone. Starts of opening calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month to be easily and tap maybe 40 and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part you can access this event about what is it, about our family, work and something like this group we have. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start. Add location of that if we need it. Add notification about our event. We can change color which we about this notification to this event, which we see. Add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save, and that's all. We have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.